There are some people like I know some of my seniors. He wanted to pursue economics, right? But his parents were like they were forcing him to do like to be a doctor because they both are doctors. So he was like doing coaching for like 2 3 years. Then he was so frustrated with this. Then later he changed this and came to pursue economics. Then he did PhD in economics.
So, being from a science background and having pursued a PhD myself, I remember that when I was in 12th standard, and after that, when I tried to convince everyone that I want to pursue science rather than engineering, it was quite a tedious task actually. So, what
Yeah.
memory I have is that there was a neighbor auntie, and when I had already joined my college for bachelor's, and she told me, in this scenario where the country is producing so many engineers, why are you doing sciences which are 10 years outdated already? At that time it made me a little insecure actually, honestly. But when I came home and spoke to my father about it, he said that if you would have done engineering, what are the branches? So I told him everybody, all my peers, I've scored more than them. I had a few engineering options in my hand, and they are pursuing computer science. But I don't want to. He said, the answer is pretty clear that you don't want to. So, but I said, they also have some logic in hand that doing a bachelor's or a BTech in computer science will guarantee them a 60, 70,000 at least starting job. So it makes me insecure that my love for sciences, my love for chemistry, am I being too impractical? Is this an outdated art? So I would like to ask you guys, were you also troubled by these traumas when we entered into the science field? At the very beginning, this is about, I'm asking about when we were like, 12th to the
Hmm.
college, when we were transitioning into that phase.
Uh, I think for me, these insecurities came later and not in the beginning, because in the beginning, I was so high on adrenaline and so high with passion, filled with passion, that I think I was more passion driven. And also, I think because, when you are, I'd say, less mature, you don't worry about money. And for me, I think at least that time, money and those things were not a lot of factors. But yeah, I was pursuing my passion, and I think I was happy. For me, the insecurities came in later, I'd say, not at the beginning.
Okay. Vibhuti, for you,
I
engineering was
understand.
never a
Yeah.
question. Sorry.
For me,
Huh.
yeah, no. I always wanted to do science, and like sometimes you get confused, right? Like because your friends they're going to top engineering colleges and all. And actually, one of my teacher, like when I met him, so he asked, "So what are you pursuing?" I said, "I'm doing BSc in chemistry." So he's like, "So you didn't get into any engineering? You didn't crack any engineering?" I said, "Yeah, I did, but I wanted to do science." Then like, why did you take physics? I said, "Because I like chemistry." Like so, they have always this thing like
Yeah.
if you're going to science, either you didn't crack any like entrance
Yes.
exam, or
Hmm.
if you are doing science also, then you first choose physics, then chemistry, then like you know. So the thing is, they don't want people to pursue what they really want. Like there are some people like I know some of my seniors. He wanted to pursue economics, right? But
Hmm.
his parents were like they were forcing him to do like to be a doctor because they both are doctors. So he was like doing coaching for like 2 3 years. Then he was so frustrated with this. Then later he changed this and came to pursue economics. Then he did PhD in economics. So yeah, I think after that time it changed because then there is also one important thing that there is one scholarship called Inspire Scholarship, right? Like
Hmm.
after your plus two, if you are like in top 1%, if you pursue basic science, they will give you some scholarship. I think that is a good motivation for some people, like because in India, like the economic condition of people, they are not very well, so they are
Yeah.
also very confused about what to pursue. So I think that is a good thing.
Uh,
Yeah,
I
that can
think,
motivate people.
yeah. I mean, in the context of fellowship, like that's a very good point that Vibhuti raised about the Inspire Scholarship. I think there is another fellowship which is talking about for all the girls who want to pursue science. There is a single girl child Indira Gandhi fellowship. So yeah, that's another fellowship which people can consider after your 12th.
Yeah. So, even the KYC has some fellowship.
Yeah. KVPY, these fellowships are there. Yeah, those are I'd say a bit more difficult to crack, but yeah, I think, yeah.